Bye! Sige, thank you. Good morning, Miss Morales. Hindi po makaka-attend si Miss Giselle sa meeting. Bukas ko na lang po sasabihin sa kanya yung lahat. It's okay.
So, let's start our meeting for our marketing strategy para mas maraming ma-attract sa ating products. So, guys, what's your idea about it?
Yes, Miss Morales. Pwede po kami magbigay ng kanya-kanya naming opinion about dito.
So, let's hear everyone's ideas.
What if
I was thinking if maybe we could consider digital marketing or social media campaign for our products.
Good idea. But there are so many products in the social media. Hindi tayo sure kung mapapansin yung products natin.
I agree. I had some idea about targeted ads and online promotion, but
Miss Morales, pwede naman sigurado subukan, and if hindi gumana, then let's plan again.
Okay, let's try.
Disadvantage of roundtable management-led consensus approach not managed effectively. And also, the disadvantage is unequal participation. The voices of one member is ignored.